Hi, welcome to mocklerz Basics channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to rename your Facebook page into a completely different name and get approved by Facebook immediately, only by using your smartphones or your Android phones. Note, you can also apply these steps if you are using a desktop. So, without further ado, let's get started. Pero bago yan, huwag kalimutang i-like at i-subscribe ang ating channel. Okay, first thing we do, we go to the browser, Chrome browser, then click the three dot button at the top, then click the desktop site. Now, okay, we will go to the Facebook website. Just type in facebook.com. Now here, we will just log in if you are not logged in yet. Now here, we will just find our Facebook page that we are about to rename. Just click here, this one, then click see more to see all your pages. Now just click the page that you are about to rename. This is my Facebook page, so I'll just click that, and here we go to about here, so we'll just click this about. Now you can see the current name of my Facebook page, this one. Let's start renaming it. Okay, just click the edit, then wait until loading is finished. Now you can see here the do's and the don't. Just read it first. Now the Facebook says that use a name that accurately represents what this page is about. So what we need to do is we will rename this Facebook page twice. In the first rename, we will not completely remove the name. We will leave at least one word of the current name. Okay? So just like this. If your page have only one word, then just add your new name and let your new name become a part of your current name. As you can see, I leave the first word of the current page name and change the rest. So this is done to avoid the confusion of your followers, and also if you change it completely, Facebook won't approve it. So just leave the first word, then add your new page name, then just click the continue, then let it become the part of your new page name. You can see here that the Facebook will review it and it takes up to 3 days. So just click request change. Click OK, then check your notifications. Now as you can see, Facebook send notifications immediately and it says that your Facebook page has been renamed. Now let's check our Facebook page. Okay, let's go to our page. So here we will just refresh it, and as you can see, our page has been renamed already in just a few seconds. So now we will wait at least 7 days so we can rename our Facebook page again, and we will remove the first word that we left on the first rename. Just do the same steps that we applied. Now you can see that my Facebook page name is now completely renamed into a different name. So I hope that helped you guys. So please don't forget to support my channel. Just click like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell icon to get updated of my latest uploads. Thank you guys.